what a day we have for you. 6,500 students at Dodger Stadium.
We're here to kick off the LA Marathon. This is the LAUSD Beyond the Bell 26 mile.
Are you feeling good? I love to run this mile with you.
We want kids to learn about healthy choices and that running could be a great choice for them, a great exercise for them. There are very few people in the world that have ran a marathon, and so our kids could, after today, say, I ran a marathon. They actually ran 26.2 miles over an 8-week period.
This race feels amazing. I kept running it. It was so satisfying.
It was more like running 10 laps, like I do at school. It was tiring. I had a friend right behind me, but I lost him because I went too fast.
This is about unity, it's about community, coming together and celebrating the best of us.